Hey friends, if you wish to fix file system error hyphen 2147417 then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions, and the resolutions are mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum. A lot of users have confirmed to these. So the first one is to perform a checklist scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the checklist scan. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a DISM scan. It is similar to an SFC scan, but I'll tell you the difference. An SFC scan checks for the missing and corrupt files on your system and replaces them if possible. A DISM scan does quite something different. A DISM scan basically repairs a system image. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator, and then paste these DISM utility commands, and I'll tell you what these are. DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /check health. Similarly, scan health and restore health. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.